I'm so sorry. Oh.
What happened? What?
So that's a grinder.
Oh.
Shrew just threw me into a grinder, and I'm never leaving the ship again.
This is Wreck Runners. It's a physics-based extraction game set in the Bermuda Triangle, where you're supposed to salvage wreckages and survive. Keyword being supposed to. What you're really about to see is 4 people actively working against each other and calling it teamwork. We hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Fuck you! You frog!
You're not getting— Oh no! Oh no!
I didn't mean it!
C4 the door!
You C4'd me! You C4'd me!
Wait, I don't know who's who.
I'm green.
No, just remember, I'm yellow because I'm Asian, and Asians are yellow.
I'm blue because I'm depressed?
That's some shit. I shot you because you're Asian.
You know what? It's
Stop Asian hate.
I can respect it. It's not the right month, Drew. It's not the right month for that.
Okay.
No.
Guys, I changed
I
colors.
don't think he is.
I'm blue now.
I'm blue.
Would you like to
Oh,
hear
nice.
about
Smash him
how
into
much
the
you can
wall.
save with Geico?
Oh! Juanana has to come save us. Juanana! Please!
She's never gonna leave the ship. We're all gonna die.
Please! Juanana!
No!
It ends like this.
We gotta go southwest. It's 1,000 meters away. You got 2.5 minutes. Ooh.
Oh, a drone. Oh no!
No!
Oh no!
No!
Oh no!
Sparkly poison thing.
No, no!
Okay, it's scary out here. I'm going back inside.
Oh no!
Yeah, I was wondering.
Look behind you!
I go to Texas and I am. Oh my god.
What is happening? What is happening, you guys?
Oh no! Get that off the ship!
What is that? What is that?
That's what it is. Save us!
I don't know how.
Oh no!
Ah! Ah! I need an adult. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
No shoes on the ship.
No! No, you
Oh my
bitch!
god, oh my god.
Don't get there!
Mom, they're fighting!
We're
What's
gonna
up?
empty this room and we're gonna lock the frogs in here.
Okay.
Where'd the other ones go? Oh, there's one. Lift. Yes! Yes!
Amazing.
Fuck you! You frog!
You're not getting— Oh no! Oh no!
I didn't mean it!
C4 the door!
You C4'd me! You C4'd me!
Yeah, so, about that, my bad. The frog's in there. How did they get out?
Only one.
I think when they shoot the door, it opens it.
Okay, get the stuff,
Yeah.
run!
Get the stuff right. I just accidentally threw C4 on an item because... Yeah. Liar!
Over, and so
Like an assembly line to pass all the items.
Trade ya. Okay, look at us.
Oh
This
my
is
gosh.
so cute. This is so efficient. Yes.
Artemis, are you okay?
Artemis
I'm having so much fun.
with the frogs down there.
Stupid frog.
She's battling for her life.
I'm gonna send him in.
No! Help! Help!
Get your
Help!
butt up
Help!
here.
Oh, actually, I'm fine.
Only problem is I don't remember where we parked the ship.
It's on your compass.
I'm on me way.
Oh, I'm just a dummy. Thank you, thank you.
I'm on me way.
Oh,
Whee!
she died.
Jump off and fucking die?
Yes.
Oh my
Thank
god.
Quick, quick. Oh my
What
gosh.
Is she dying?
She lived.
Oh.
Juan got there in time.
Woo!
I can be a hero, baby. I can kiss away the pain.
Oh my god, if it over the speaker is so much better.
I will stand by you forever.
Oh my gosh.
You
Oh, that's
can take my breath away.
I wish someone would come save me.
Hey,
amazing.
lower me down. We'll...
Where's mine?
Yeah, let go. Hey, you have to catch me, okay? Are you gonna catch me?
Me?
No, not. Yeah, catch! You didn't catch.
You fell so
Somebody
quickly!
threw me. Someone threw me.
Yeah!
Yes, we're in.
Ah! Okay.
That tentacle monster is very angry.
Oh, I fell! Oh,
I
no.
threw him down there.
Oh,
What do we do?
I don't know.
Oh god.
Oh no! Huh.
He
No!
grabbed Artemis.
Wait!
Oh,
Wait, Artemis! Wait! Come back!
Kenna! Go back!
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I don't think we're gonna make it.
Yeah.
We're not gonna make it.
We're not gonna make it. But
Oh, there it
see if
is.
we could at least see it. We're so close.
Just drop,
Oh,
bro.
God,
Just
being
drop.
attacked again.
Just drop. Yes!
Ah!
It's right there. No, wait, can you get on? No! No!
I hate the water!
No, I died! No idea what to do.
We're all gonna die anyway, but
We'll die together this way.
yeah.
Guys, we can do this. We can definitely do this.
can we? Oh,
We're dead. We're dead. We're all dead.
What do
This
you know?
has
Thing
revived
again?
me
We
like
can
16
call it
times.
again.
Oh, call
We
it.
can call it again.
Call it.
Oh, nobody died. Nobody died. No!
What? What just happened?
No,
I don't know what happened.
Our ship!
There's birds. The birds are attacking.
Oh, look our ship. Look our sinking ship. Can we get inside and live? I think this might be the end, children.
I've died. Oh, I died and it
Goodbye.
teleported me inside the ship.
It's because I'm up.
Oh, well, I'm inside.
you
Just
in it.
Come out and res us.
I don't think I'm inside the ship. I think I'm literally in the ship. So
I'm gonna die.
You go up top.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Yeah, I can't res you. You're like in the.
yeah.
No!
Yeah, deposit salvage.
Do we have to do something? We're taking damage.
Oh, let's see if we can at least.
Oh, yeah, definitely die if I go out here. Do we have to do something on the ship?
Oh no, I'm down.
That doesn't. Oh, that does work. Where are you? Killed it. What the frick was that? Where's the lever you said? Nice. Our ship had a sliver of health.
There's no little crates, you guys.
Okie dokie. We start with nothing and no crates and we're all 1 HP.
Yes, we shall die together.
Let's go to that place and see if we can get anything.
Whee!
This doesn't seem good. Dead.
Whoa!
Where are we?
I'm
What's
dead.
happening?
I'm dead inside.
Where are you? Oh, I'm
Above
coming.
you.
I'm coming. I'm dead inside.
I'm also
too.
dead inside.
Where's Artemis?
Oh,
I fell off the ship.
Are you alive?
wait, I see her. Hold on. Oh no,
Oh,
she's
God. I like that she silently just took her fate, didn't say a word.
Yeah, she's like, whatever.
I had to literally be like, where's Artemis, for her to be like, oh, just perishing outside. Oh, I'm dead. Help! Help! Ow! I'm underneath now. Oh, ow! Yes, he keeps running me over.
Okay, go up, please.
Oh, I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. Galius!
No! Sorry guys, I'm trying to plan family stuff right now and it's not going
I
well.
died for your family!
Yeah, you did.
Died for your family.
You died for my family.
It's a wild comes.
Put me in the ship where I may rest.
Oh, what's
Oh, okay. We're doing really
Something-
bad, you guys. I'm
Is
going to
everyone
die.
dead? Everyone's dead.
Everyone's dead.
No!
Hold on, let me grab Shrew. Yes.
See? Oh no!
Does she still have her gun?
Catch me.
Oh my god, she does.
You didn't see anything.
I'm so sorry. Wait, I'm sorry.
I'll
I
just go
didn't mean
kill
to-
myself.
No, come on.
Anyways.
Yeah, whatever that's about.
We can grab this. Oh
It's
wait, no,
me.
that's you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh.
What happened? What?
So that's a grinder.
Oh.
Shrew just threw me into a grinder, and I'm never leaving the ship again. That's what I'm.
Why is Artemis getting bullied?
I bet if we put like the scrap metals and stuff in there, we might get the metal plates or something to repair.
Oh yeah, because it spits something out. For sure. Let's not do me again. Didn't like that. Not a fan of that.
Let's
No
not do
consent was
me
given, by the way.
again.
Shrew just threw me in and was like, "Good luck. Hope you have a goodwill." By the way, I don't. It hasn't been updated, so it's fine. Oh, I see. Hold on.
Oh. Yeah, I can't feel a thing. Did you use my body to block you?
My God.
Like, we could just do that.
I'm a body shield. Well.
You making fun of me right now, Shrimp? They won't let me grapple.
Are we taking more stuff or no?
Okay.
I made it up here before you did. You guys are professionals.
Yeah, we're just better.
Don't forget me.
Shrew, are you laughing at me or something else?
What do you think? What do you think?
What is that?
Shrew?
What do you think
else.
Okay.
So help me God. So help me God. I'm just gonna huddle by Shrew's dead body.
Yes, come cuddle.
I do love cuddling with your dead body.
Okay.
Okay.
Clip that out of context. Post it on the internet.
I
don't
will.
care.
What in the hell?
Oh my God.
You wanted her face up. There you go. You're welcome.
This feels
Now
wrong.
kiss.
No, I'm not gonna kiss her
Spider-Man
when her
kiss.
body's like, oh Jesus, your foot's on her face. No, get away from her. Ah!
Hopefully, where'd she go? I'm dead outside the ship! I've been catapulted out of the ship! Where? Oh, no, I'm gonna get run over by the ship! Oh, Jesus!
God!
Please!
My therapist is gonna hear about this. We get back, I'm buying a Ouija board for you. I'm so sorry. Oh dear God. You'll be able to slowly respond to these horrors that are happening to you. One letter at a time.
Mom, are we almost there?
You better stop that attitude or I'm turning this car around.
Hey, it's right there! It's right there!
You guys think I'll get Employee of the Month?
Probably.
Okay. That's not good.
Help us!
We're dead! We're dead!
Help us!
We're dead!
Help us!
We're dead!
Oh Jesus.
Get one first, get one first, get one first. You're a hero.
No. Watch out for the frog! Watch out for the frog!
No, now I'm down again.
No, I'm down! There's a guy under us! No! No!
Oh dear God.
No!
Alias!
No! No! That frog squad wiped us.
Yeah, that was rough. On the world,
Wait.
Whee!
a new fantastic point of view.